guys, I am Stephanie. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I am so excited for today's video because I am talking about my new shoe room. I am so excited. I have been wanting a shoe room for the longest time and I keep calling it my shoe closet, and my boyfriend's like, no, it is not a shoe closet, it's a shoe room. So yes, I am transforming an open room in my house into a shoe room. I am so excited. You know, every time I keep walking in there, there's like more of my boyfriend's like photography stuff. I'm like, what is this? This is my shoe room. So I'm gonna take you along on like the process of building it and what I've done so far and what I'm doing, because right now I just have like a walk-in closet and all of my shoes are in boxes, and it drives me crazy because I just wear the same shoes that are like convenient to grab on the top, because even if you have the photos on the side of the boxes, it's still like you can't really see the shoe and you're just gonna grab whatever on top and like easy to go. So now I have my own shoe room and we just built the shelves. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so right now we just have a ton of boxes. I know, I own a lot of shoes. Don't ask me how. I have all this whole shelf right here with shoes. I've got boxes of shoes up there. Then I have, let's see if I can. Then I have like my, it's almost Christmas. I have all my elf shoes. I got like my workout shoes, and I just got like random shoes here that like might not come with boxes. Sorry, it's a little too dark right now. And then some more boots. And yeah, I can't stand this. So like, yeah, you can see like a picture right here, but it really just doesn't do it justice. So here's all this. I cannot stand it. Ugh. And I wanted a beautiful, beautiful shoe room to showcase all my shoes, because clearly I like to collect shoes. So let me show you inside the shoe room. Dun, dun, dun. All right, so we have 3 IKEA Billy bookcases, and so I got the extended unit one, so they are higher, so they come up to almost the ceiling. And then these are the white shelves. So my next step is to measure my tallest boot, and then I'll insert these shelves right here according to like my boot height and how I'm gonna organize the shoes. Oh, and I got this cute little thing for once I enter the shoes. And then I got my Christmas tree stuff, because I'm gonna put a Christmas tree right over here. This Papasan is gonna go. It's usually downstairs, but I had to put my Christmas tree up, so I had to put that somewhere. But I need to move it because I have an ottoman coming right in the middle, and then I'm going to get a chandelier to put up here. And see, here's like his photo equipment. I'm like, what the heck? Just put it somewhere else. So yeah, and then, all right, so then these just arrived today. They are the, they're just black pool noodles I got from Amazon. I'll link these down below as well. And then this is gonna help stick, keep my boots straight up. And then I have this huge mirror, hi. And I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep it in here or bring it back downstairs and get a different mirror. Obviously I want like a huge mirror in here so I can take cute photos of my shoes. But check this out. It's like leopard and gold and white ornaments, and then the tree is in the other room. I got a flock tree with like a white furry tree rug. I'm so excited. Obviously I'll do a final room tour once I get all of my shoes in here and the shelves in, but this is just what it looks like so far. I am so excited. Okay, so now we have them all organized. I only have 5 feet away. However, I might be getting rid of more. I just need to like just give it some thought. And if I'm giving it some thought, I should probably just get rid of them. But we have like some winter boots. We have heeled boots. heels, summer wedge shoes, ankle boots, mid boots, knee-high boots, and like sneakers, wedge sneakers, Converse. And yeah, this is exhausting, but I really want to put my Christmas tree up that I got in here. And that cute little sign. And pool noodles. So I should probably go through here one more time, probably talk to my boyfriend, show him some shoes that I'm second guessing, and then so I can get that donation pile up, because I'm trying not to be a hoarder. I'm trying to just get rid of things. Like, obviously I'm not wearing them, but that's because I couldn't see them. And also now I work from home, so it's like, yeah, that's what I have. But we'll see. This is updated progress, what's now organized. And we've got one down and a lot more to go. But I took a pool noodle. This is all that's left of the other one that they're on this package right there. But I just took the pool noodle. I took just a little knife, just sliced it and stuck it in there once I measured it. This is my tallest boot, and at first I wasn't going to do this. I was gonna let them hang a little bit because they are super tall, but I figured it looks a lot better when it's completely straight up, looks like a store, so I'm loving it. I just have one shoe in here, one pair of boots, and I am already obsessed. This has motivated me now to do the whole thing. Alright guys, so my walk-in shoe closet room, whatever you want to call it, is finally finished. I just got the ottoman in a few days ago and it's so beautiful. Now I'm gonna get a chandelier, but I'm still looking around. I'm not sure exactly what kind of chandelier I want, but let me give you a tour of it. Here it is. Oh my gosh. I love it so much. Got this beautiful ottoman. It like really makes it feminine and girly. I love it. We have the Papa San chair in here right now because with the Christmas tree up downstairs. I already have a cute little mini Christmas tree. And then so we've got this large mirror right here so I can do outfit photos. And then I also got my little tall skinny mirror over there. And then the completed shoe room closet. I got these super cute leopard Christmas trees off Etsy. I'll link it down below. My Christmas trees. And then this like naughty or nice, I have outfits for both sign. I thought that was perfect for the shoe room. And so here we have over the knee boots, more over the knee boots, and then just like some winter boots. We have more boot sneakers, ankle boots, sneakers. That one's like a random row right here. We have heels, like ankle boots, wedges, more ankle boots. I have mid boots. This is like my prized possession over here. I have like my two Matisse boots that I love. They're like the Katie boots. Also, ironically, this is also called the Katie boot, but this one's by Betsey Johnson, and I'm wearing them tonight for my birthday. We got some more ankle boots and then some heels. And then just to fill up space for right now, put my Gucci bag in there. I got my jewelry, and then I added some hats on the top just to fill some space until I can get more shoes. I'm glad that I have room to buy more shoes. So that is awesome. I was worried I was not gonna have enough room. So I'm glad that. And then my new little Christmas tree I got for this room. It's like leopard. I just love it. I think that the whole thing goes together. I am so excited. I love, love, love the way this turned out.